rise and grind, man. I'm out here in Atlanta. What's this? A 2012 GMC Sierra Denali 1500. Got a P0116 engine coolant temperature sensor. Alright, that sensor is right here. Also going to be replacing the thermostat, which is right here. Alright, deck's cool, all GM vehicles. Got the thermostat and the engine coolant temperature sensor. I got it with the harness as well. We got a 19mm to get that off. Cut this back and put the new harness pigtail on it. Alright, this is what the wire is going to go through. You crimp them, and then you put the little rubber over them, and put fire to them and melt it down. Cut back. Cut back. Put the sleeve on first. That's how it's going to look when you're done. And then you put the other side on the same way. Alright, the wires are connected. We're going to slide these sleeves over it, and then we're going to melt it with a lighter and put fire to it, and it's going to shrink like shrink wrap. And that is the results. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna put some black duct tape or electrical tape and wire all of this. Cover it all up so it's not exposed. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this throttle body next. It's pretty dirty, man. I'll clean it up, throttle body cleaner, keep it from sticking and losing power. Alright, so we're going to put everything back together and do the relearn procedure. Alright, so I'm going to save the relearn procedure for another video. Alright, next we're going to fill it up. Fill it up and then start it up. Turn on the heat and let it run. Leaks, good to go.